Hello and welcome to my 6 a.m. productive morning routine ballerina edition. Quick disclaimer, I didn't actually wake up at 6 a.m. I woke up at 6:35 a.m. I hit the snooze button 2 or 3 times and 6:35 just did not have the same ring to 6 a.m. Regardless, getting up at this time gives me a lot of time before I start with my 9 a.m. clients. And I know this isn't early by any means, but to someone who is a chronic sleep-inner, this is pretty darn early for me, especially since my job during the year keeps me up quite late, so I sleep in. So I decided to hop on the 2021 bandwagon of wearing a retainer or wearing a night guard to bed. So first thing in the morning, it is a must to brush my teeth and drink plenty of water. I change into my workout gear and I get right into my skincare. I love cleaning my face very first thing before I do anything else in the morning. I feel like I get all the dirt, the debris, the dust off my face. I feel fresh, I feel clean, I feel ready for the day. Today, rather than going for my usual Dermalogica, I tried out this Lancome cleanser for the very first time. And may I say, I'm very impressed with the way it just lathered all over my skin. So I let it sit there for a minute or two before I rinsed it off. I learned this tip from Alexandra's Girly Talk. She said to let the cleanser really soak in and use the max full benefits from it before you rinse it off. After cleansing my face, I apply a toner with my hands. I just pat it into all of the crevices of my face. Then I use this Buffet serum from The Ordinary and I go underneath my eyes really delicately with my 4th finger. So the actual reason I'm wearing this night guard every single night is because of my incessant teeth grinding. I either wear this night guard every single night religiously or I face having potential jaw surgery in the future. But anyways, I'm using these facial rollers on my masseter muscles as well as underneath my eyes just to wake myself up and to massage those masseter muscles that I've been clenching all night. My favorite and last part of my skincare is putting the Cetaphil moisturizer on my face. I feel really glowy when I put it on. It's not too sticky and dewy that it feels gross on my face when I start to sweat, but it also works as a nice primer before I do my makeup. I am a creature of habit and my skincare and my makeup is pretty much just a ritual now, so I know exactly what I'm doing next. I do it in the exact same order. I don't really switch it up aside from some of the products that I use for my skincare. And of course, I need my dose of caffeine for the morning to get me going, and I'm using my Nespresso cups for this. While my barista is brewing my coffee, I will roll out my yoga mat, roll out on the roller, and I will do a couple of stretches and some exercises to start my morning. I've also been drinking a ton of water in the morning because I have very dry skin, and I've been told I need to drink way more water. Plus, on days like today where I don't have many breaks in between classes, I try to drink most of my water in the mornings and the evenings. And since today is a very busy day full of teaching with little to no breaks, I just decided to do a couple of core exercises to get my core engaged so I don't injure myself whilst I'm teaching. I also did a couple of stretches and I also rolled out on the roller because my muscles were so sore from my personal training sessions yesterday. We kicked butt, but I am still so sore and recovering from Monday even. I'm recovering from Monday, Tuesday. I feel like I'm always just recovering with my body, so I love having this extra time in the morning just to check in with myself, to take care of things that need to be fine-tuned, to stretch, to relax. Some mornings I do a little bit more of a workout, like a cardio workout. I run, I'll do a HIIT workout, but today just did not feel like one of those days. I knew I had a long day, so I just wanted to kind of fine-tune everything. Your body is your instrument in life, and I know that's super cheesy, but take care of yourself. Listen to your body. I try to tidy up one big thing every single day, and today was a laundry day. I also simultaneously called my mom. So I'm not losing my mind and just waving to the screen for no reason. I am talking to another person. I'm definitely one of those people that needs to be doing a chore every single day because I hate when chores catch up on you and then you have one day to do all of them and you feel so overwhelmed and you feel so behind. So I just like to get on top of them every single day and make sure everything's checked in.
You see the Grammy? He's already ready. And they go nuts.
I started journaling sometime last year during COVID, and I used to journal from the time I was 4 until the time I was like 20 years old. I don't know what made me stop, but in this past year, I've been trying to journal every single day, or at least 2 or 3 times a week when I have time. I've been really loving journaling in the morning because I feel like I get everything off my chest. I don't feel like I have to carry something like a big burden on me if I feel something is on my mind. I just get it written down, get it over with, and get on with my day. That being said, at the end of my journal entry, I always end with 4 or 5 things I'm grateful for, just so I end on a super positive note. Now, I love using this scheduling app called Xenia. It's actually more of a journaling app as well, but I use it on my iPad because I schedule in all of my appointments for the day, and I just realized that I have overbooked myself from 9 a.m. until 6:30 p.m. with no breaks, and I need breakfast ASAP. I love putting almond butter in my oats. It just makes me feel fuller for longer. I get some extra protein, extra healthy fats, and I would not be a true Canadian if I did not drown my food in maple syrup. Yes, we put maple syrup on everything. I'm kidding, it's weird to put maple syrup on some things. I've also been trying to make a point of not watching TV or not watching videos while I'm eating breakfast, so I just sit with myself, enjoy my food, be grateful for the food and the nourishment that I have. And since I know I won't be getting outside much today until the evening, if I can, I take the dog out to play, and she's so cute. Listen to her snort.
Drop.
You and me are the same girl.
Me?
It was getting close to 8:30, which is a half hour before my first class, so I put on some bright red lipstick to make me feel super confident for my classes, and I chose out 2 leotards.
Excuse me, miss. Are you going to teach my classes today? So as you can see, I'm wearing one of the leotards that I wore in my leotard haul video. If you want to watch that, I'll put that up here. Today, I've got classes from 9 a.m. until 6:30 without a break, not even a lunch, because I've overbooked myself, which is a blessing. I would have never thought that my business would be doing so well a year ago. And if you had told me a year ago that I would have 6 days a week booked, like 9.5 hours a day, I would not have believed you. So today I don't have a lunch break, but I've got snacks prepared. Don't worry, they will be at the side. I work 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, no, 3 to 5, 5 to 6, and 6 to 6:30. So I leave every class 5 minutes early, just so I have time in between each class to refresh. If I need to change, because sometimes some of the classes get pretty sweaty, I have 5 minutes to do so, grab some water, grab a snack if I need it. Today's gonna be like a marathon, and I guess this is the reason people hire assistants. I'm gonna switch between these 2 leotards today. I like to go with the color theme. It inspires me. My leotards, my clothes inspire me in the day. So I've got this one on, the No Way from Yumiko, and then I've also got, I think this is the Wendy from Yumiko, and they're quite a similar color scheme. And I also never wear tights when I'm teaching, just because it's summer and it's so hot right now, so I don't even bother with tights or pants. I just wear these little short. I'm gonna go read my book. To be honest, I was a diehard Twilight fan in my teenage years, and now I'm revisiting it. It's giving me a lot of nostalgia. I have a selection of these 2 as well. I'm still reading Becoming by Michelle Obama. I've been kind of taking it slow so I can really absorb everything and enjoy it. And I'm also reading The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Bleep. I've really been liking this one. I'm already pretty much halfway through, and I definitely recommend this to anybody who overthinks things. It's a huge wake-up call. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna go get ready for the rest of my classes today. I'm gonna read my book for the last half hour before I start. It's about 8:30 right now. My first class starts at 9. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, and bye now.